Good day everyone. Let me discuss to you my research paper entitled Optimizing Production System and Inventory Levels Through Lean Manufacturing and Systematic Layout Planning for Complete Supply Chain. Again, good day. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Engineer Ryan Tasico. I graduated as an industrial engineer at First Asia Institute of Technology and Humanities, Tanawan, Batangas, way back 2015. I started working as an industrial engineer at Epson Precision Philippines Incorporated, handling productivity, process designing, and lead time reduction. After 2 years, I moved to ST Microelectronics Incorporated as senior supervisor handling manufacturing cost reduction, CAPEX, OPEX, and manpower planning. And then 5 years after, I moved to Denso Philippines Corporation from 2021 up to present, managing company-wide activities, production system, and layout improvement through the infusion of Lean and Kaizen mindset. As I have mentioned, I'm currently working at Denso Philippines, so let me give you a glimpse of our company profile. Denso Philippines Corporation is located at Calamba, Laguna, specifically at Canlubang. We celebrated our 30th founding anniversary last 2025, and we manufacture automotive components, supplying on large car makers. We established last March 1995 with a total land area of 86,000 square meter, plant area of 49,000 square meter, with total employees of 1,600. Meaning, Denso Philippines is valued by customers for 30 years. These are the samples of our products, and these are also available on the internet. But due to interest of my report, I will only focus on ADAS business unit, which is highlighted in blue. So as introduction, this study focuses on optimizing production system and inventory levels through the integration of lean manufacturing principle and systematic layout planning, or SLP, using Denso Philippines Corporation as a case study. In today's highly competitive manufacturing environment, companies are under constant pressure to improve the efficiency, reduce operational costs, and respond quickly to fluctuating customer demand. Two of the most critical contributors of inefficiency are poor facility layout and excessive inventory, both of which are increased lead times, material handling effort, and overall production cost. Lean manufacturing provides a structured philosophy for identifying and eliminating non-value adding activities, commonly referred to as waste or muda. So with the use of SLP, it offers a systematic approach to designing our redesigning plant layouts to improve material flow and space utilization. By combining lean tools such as waste analysis, value stream mapping, and GAT concept with SLP techniques for layout optimization, the research aims to demonstrate how physical layout design and process improvement can really work together rather than as separate initiatives. So as overall, the study positions lead the SLP integration as a variable strategy for achieving sustainable operational improvement. It enhances productivity and better inventory control in space-constrained manufacturing environment. Despite of being an established automotive components manufacturer, Denso Philippines faces persistent challenge related to inefficient space utilization and inventory management. Internal observations indicate that approximately 85% of the available production floor area is already utilized, leaving a minimal allowance for smooth material movement and flexible workstation arrangement. In addition, inventory storage utilization exceeded by 90%, and this results to congestion, frequent material handling delays, and difficulty in maintaining a clear flow path. These conditions negatively affect the lead time, productivity, and operational cost. and they hinder the company's ability to fully implement just-in-time production principles. This study addresses this gap by proposing a integrated SLP framework tailored to the Philippine automotive manufacturing context and validate using measurable data and shop floor feedback. The primary objective of this study is to design and develop an optimized production layout and inventory management framework by integrating lean manufacturing principles with systematic layout planning techniques at Denso Philippines. Specifically, the study aims to define the current production layout and inventory system, measuring the baseline performance in terms of space utilization, cycle time, and inventory levels, including the identified root causes of waste using analytical tools, and develop an improved layout lean-based inventory framework. From an academic standpoint, the study contributes empirical evidence on the lean SLP integration with the Philippine automotive industry, an area with limited localized research. For future researchers, the methodology and framework provide a replicable model that can be adapted to other manufacturing sectors facing a similar constraints in space and in inventory management. The study employs a structured step-by-step methodology designed to ensure practical applicability and measurable outcomes. It begins with the data gathering, which includes collecting of production layout drawings, material flow records, and 6 months of inventory and output data from selected production line. Direct observations, time studies, and interviews with the operators and supervisors are conducted to capture both quantitative and qualitative insights. The data analysis phases uses lead diagnostic tools such as value stream mapping and spaghetti diagrams to identify the bottleneck, excessive movement, and waste on space. Root causes are analyzed using fishbone in YY techniques, and based on the findings, the layout inventory system design phases applies systematic layout planning principles to develop an alternative layout configurations and lean-based inventory framework to align with the GIT practices. Before our full implementation, the proposed solutions are tested through simulation and modeled scenarios to evaluate improvements in travel distances, space utilization, and inventory levels. So as a result of the study, the result of the study indicates that integrating lean manufacturing and systematic layout planning can generate to a substantial operational improvements. The optimized layout and inventory system are expected to reduce inventory space utilization by approximately 15 to 25% through better material flow and elimination of unnecessary stock. Workflow efficiency and layout effectiveness are projected to improve around 20%, leading to shorter travel distances, reduced congestion, and smooth process flow. The operator productivity is estimated to increase by 10 to 15% due to reduced motion of waste. We also improve the ergonomics and clear workstation arrangement. So in addition to quantitative gains, qualitative benefits are observed in terms of improved workflow clarity, enhanced visual management, and better alignment with GIT principles. So the study concludes that the integration of lean manufacturing with the use of systematic layout planning provides a practical and effective approach to optimizing production systems and inventory levels in space-constrained manufacturing environment. But directly connecting this lean tool to a physical design of the production layout, the proposed framework ensures that improvements are tangible, visualized, and sustainable on the shop floor. The resulting layout reduces unnecessary movement, improves space utilization, supports faster material flow, and strengthens visual management practices. And most importantly, the inclusion of operator feedback ensures that redesigning of the system supports daily operational realities rather than disrupting them. So for the Philippines, the findings offer a clear pathway towards improved productivity, reduction of waste, and stronger alignment with the just-in-time operations. The practical implementation or implication is that the company can achieve significant efficiency gains with major capital investment, primarily by rethinking the layout, the flow, and inventory policies through a structured, data-driven, and people-centered approach. So that concludes my overall report presentation. Thank you very much.